Every Android user loves Android cracked application and Android games modded version. If you're a gaming lover, then it's very important for you to know how to find and download Android games mod versions. Also, you can download any Android application cracked version by using these methods. Everyone wants to play an Android game with unlimited money or coins like gems, anything. What if I tell you that there are 3 secret methods to create or directly download mod Android apps and games? Yes, today I'm going to share with you 3 secret methods to download mod Android games and apps. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this is our first method. With this method you can create any Android app, cracked version or mod game. This is a Lucky Patcher application. You can make paid apps and games free with the help of this application. This app bypasses the in-app purchases, also removes license verification of any Android app or game. You can create modded version of any Android app or game by using this Lucky Patcher application. Suppose you are playing Temple Run Android game, so you can hack in-app purchases by using this application, and you can buy unlimited coins and gems, whatever you used in the game. The link of Lucky Patcher application is available in the post, and the post link is available in the description box. Go and check out. And one more thing, this app works best on rooted Android phones. If you want to root your Android device, then rooting guide is available in the description box. You can check it. Now let's check our second method. In this method, I am sharing with you a secret trick to crack any Android game using Hack Tool. Let me tell you how you can download Hack Tool of any Android game. As you can see in the screenshot, I am going to tell you the specific keywords which are most useful in finding Hack Tool of any Android game. See what I have searched in Google. The keyword is Temple Run Hack Tool download. This is our search keyword for finding Hack Tool of any Android game. Write in Google game name Hack Tool download and search. Then you will definitely get the Hack Tool for the game. In easy words, replace Temple Run and put your game name and search the whole keyword. You will get the desired results. Friends, Hack Tool is a rare thing, only available for some Android games like Subway Surfer, Temple Run and some others. But if there is a Hack Tool available on Google for your game, download it. It's the easiest way for finding and downloading a mod Android game. So guys, now let's check the third method. This method will help you to directly download mod APK from any website. I know maybe you already know about it, right? But I'm sharing with you a secret trick. See the keywords used in screenshot. Replace the Temple Run with your game name or app name. Suppose you want to download a PUBG mod APK, then search PUBG mod APK download. Replace Temple Run with PUBG. This keyword will show you the direct download link page of PUBG game. Amazing, isn't it? This method works for all Android apps and games. You can find and download any Android games mod version and any Android app cracked version by using this method. If you want to read the in-depth post about this topic, then the post link is available in the description. And if you found this video helpful, give up a thumbs up, share your thoughts in comments, I will reply. And don't forget to subscribe. Also check techsable.com website for amazing tech tutorials.